Hi, I'm Laura. I'm in Olé Comunicación, the internet provider. We deliver fiber optic, television, TV, whatever you need to be connected in Orihuela Costa. I would say this is Olé family. This is like a family, so we're close, we are flexible. We were the first ones installing Olé fiber optic here in Orihuela Costa. Other people come here and live alone without a family. So we give them the opportunity to be connected with the granddaughters, with the loved ones, we would say. By telephone, they can watch the content of their country, so they feel like at home. This is what we do here. We were the first ones installing fiber in 2014, so we know all the streets, we know the communities, we know the clients, and we are the same team. People come here and say, "Hi Mario, hi Isa," it's the same face. We will be always here to pick up the phone, to help, to go and visit someone who is living alone and can't come to the office. So what we do here is helping people not feeling lonely, being connected to their country, to their families, giving them the opportunity feel at home and enjoying the good things of being in Spain. So this is us. We do help people. We do care about employees, about clients, and our best marketing is the word of mouth, because people really come here and say, "I love you, I've never had a service like you. You do care about us. You send a technician Sunday at 9 p.m. just to help me and show where the router is." So this is real, this is us, we are close, and this is where we live, and we do care about this space. We help each other. We go to different events here, the Carnival, St. Patrick's. We know Irish and Norwegian people. It's international. We are a Spanish company. Departments is the team that we build, because everyone here in Olé is a plus. Everyone contributes. That the most important thing is coordination and communication. We all communicate. We hang out outside the company and also inside. I mean, we get on very well between us. So we are very well connected. And the marketing department is great. Also, we are doing trainings to be even better in customer service for the technicians, for the client department, and it's very important for us to show that we are reliable in terms of the service and the customer attention that you will get.